us. We're getting some breaking news right now. Centre has reviewed the progress of relief and restoration work in West Bengal after the Amphan cyclone. In fact, the MHA will be sending a central team also to assess the damages. My colleague Aishwarya Kapoor is bringing us more. And Aishwarya, the focus will be to restore power connectivity, telecom services and drinking water supplies at the earliest.
Well, yes, at this point of time, Government of India understands that after the Prime Minister's survey and then Prime Minister allocating 1,000 crore rupees is relief for the state of West Bengal after the super cyclone Shivani, the measures are being taken and also a central government team will be going in for the whole review because there are central funds, so the review needs to happen by the central government and the same will happen. We are being told that the complete power connectivity, telecom services, drinking water supply, all of that needs to be restored. And then we are being told that the teams which are present there have been able to do it for around 40 to 45%. Hence, the central team which will be going in for the review will make sure and will only come back once it is done 100%. So the Government of India wants that the people of West Bengal who have been displaced, who have been troubled after the super cyclone, return back to normalcy and their livelihood.
Absolutely. And of course, what has been priority is to restore drinking water supplies. Power has been off for quite some days. And that has been the focus also, Aishwarya, of the army. That is not just clearing, of course, roads, etc., but also ensuring that the basic necessities first up are restored. And many people in West Bengal are, of course, are thanking the army, for stepping in and taking control of the situation.
Well, absolutely, because let there be no doubt about it, the minutes after Prime Minister held a review meeting, even prior to the landfall of this super cyclone, the government was basically prepared, but these kind of natural calamities leave a collateral damage, and the same has happened in both these states, that is the state of West Bengal and then Odisha. The Prime Minister went for an aerial survey, giving out a clear sense that he understands that the basic severity of the matter, and post that now a central team will be going in Shivani for a complete review and making sure that 100% fallback is there as far as the electricity, power supply, water, drinking water and all the other basic amenities are concerned.
Absolutely. In fact, the centre has already released the promised amount of 1,000 crores and 500 crores each to West Bengal and Odisha, and further assistance will be provided as per assessments that are made on ground by central teams. Aishwarya Kapoor, thanks a lot for joining us for the meantime. Moving on.